Hi, this is Rochelle at Scrap Craftastic, and I have a new planner brand to share with you. It's a more budget-friendly brand. I think I had recently done a search for Moterm, and I was just looking to see what was going on at Moterm, and I saw this planner as a suggestion, and I kind of ignored it because, you know, it was random. I wasn't sure, never heard of it before. It seemed too good to be true, so I ignored it. So as I was roaming around YouTube like I do pretty much daily, I saw the same planner being shared in a video or setup or something like that. And I was like, oh, so maybe it's not just, you know, a scammy planner. Let me check it out. So I went back to Amazon to look at the planner again. And I was like, okay. With the price that it was, I was willing to take a hit and try it. So I did. And this is what I received. I ordered the personal size rings. This is what I received. So the name of the brand is SmartFi. It's SmartFi, all one word. My order came in this box, of course, inside of an Amazon package, but this is the box that it comes in. I tried not to mess with it too much. The thing is, I ordered personal size. This does not look like personal size, but wait, there's more. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. It comes in this little dust bag. It has the little moisture thingy in it, which is good since I'm in Florida. And I actually bought some of these from Dollar Tree to store my other planners with it, so I don't have a problem again. This is the color. This is the pink. And it's more like a mauve pink. And I'm not sure that it's leather. It smells like real leather. I'm not sure that it is. It's soft, supple, and it has the double snap. It has the pin loop. When you open it up, it has the cover over the zipper. It has pocket here, zipper pocket, pocket here, and it has the big pocket in the back. You can see that. The satin lining. I'm not sure about what size these rings are. They look okay. I mean, I'm not a ring snob. I'm just not. And it comes with these little inserts. So you've got the weekly insert, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it comes with those. Then this one I think is a daily timed insert with grid. Hopefully you can see that. Let me give you a better look at this one. Okay, this is pocket size. Again, I ordered personal size, but I think they just made a mistake. Anyway, the flyleaf has 3 pockets here on the back. It doesn't have a pin loop on it, which it would be nice if it did, but it doesn't. The prices range from around $24 to $35, which I think is excellent compared to Moterm. And it also depends on what size you get. Again, I paid for personal size. They sent me pocket size, but it comes with the ruler, which is also a page mark. Then in the back, you get 2 pockets, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots or card pockets. So you get card space here. I think this is for cards, credit cards here. And then you get them in the back as well. And I just think it's a nice planner. It's really nice. I mean, I don't know all the specific things that people look for as far as when it's not a good planner. It feels nice. I like the color. The rings look okay. Let me see. Can you take these rings out? That might be a thing. Oh yeah, you can take them out. Yeah. So you can even change your ring mechanism if you want. I'm not even going to guess to see what size these rings are. So yeah, that is the pocket size. Smart Fee planner in pink. Comes with inserts, okay? So I called Amazon instead of just returning it because after I saw it, I really liked it. And I had already pulled this off my shelf to work on setting it up for the summer. So when I got this, I was like, well, maybe I won't use the clear. I can just use the Smart Fee pink and set it up. So I wanted to keep it. I called Amazon, worked with the representative, and I was explaining to him, well, can I just keep this one and order the personal, but I don't want to pay personal size for the pocket size. I would need a credit back for the difference. And he was trying to figure out how to do it. And then finally he came back and said, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to let you keep the pocket size, no additional charge, and we'll just send you out a personal. So essentially I got the pocket size for free because I asked to get my money back for the difference, even though I wanted to keep the pocket size. Hopefully that makes sense. It made sense to him. He worked it out, and I was really happy with them deciding to let me keep the pocket and then send me the personal. See, I could look at the box right off and tell that this box, let me show you, this box is not a personal size box. This is a pocket size box. I even went so far as to pull out my ruler to measure to make sure that they weren't calling this, you know, I wanted to make sure that I read the listing correctly. Anyway, I've given you all more information than you need or want, probably. This is the personal size. It came a few days later. This is what I initially ordered. And as you know, I am working in my pink croc Moterm, but I will be switching to this soon, probably. The other planner is a hacked planner that I made, but it's just as good to me as one that came with the rings. This is basically the same setup. You got the big pocket in the back, zipper pocket with the cover for the zipper here. You got a pocket here. It comes with inserts, same style inserts. So you get the dailies with the times, and you get the weekly, which is perfect. So you get those, you get the fly leaf, you get 4 pockets here. Oh, these pockets are different. They're curved in the back. The pen loop is a little different. You get the ruler, and basically I think that's it. You get the pockets, double pockets in the back, satin lining for everything. Yep, that's it. But it's pretty, right? And again, I think they range from like 20 something, 24, 25 to $35. So that is the new planning system that is available on Amazon. I will link to everything in the description box below. We will be doing setups of these soon, but I just wanted to share them with you. Maybe you want to grab one. They do have other colors. From what I saw, there's not a lot of different colors, but they do have other color options. And it was nice to be able to get your, if you're a Prime member, it's nice to be able to get your planner in 2 days, approximately. So that is it. I will definitely be back soon to work on setups with these. They do come in these nice boxes. The boxes are very nice to keep, you know, to store it in later. And I am going to be storing my planners from now on in their boxes instead of, I do keep the boxes, but I usually wasn't storing the planners in them. Anyway, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of this planner brand. If you're going to check it out, let me know in the comments. It seems to be very nice quality. I have to give it to them. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.